welcome you to watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. KSU sends regards to football players representing the state. Bilikit prioritizes the empowerment of women in North Tura. Sinot College venerates Risai Balalu, who claimed the title Best Commander. And Shillong welcomes Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now the news in detail. With the intention to encourage young people interested in sports activities and also motivate them to polish their skills, KSU North Khasi Hills District Unit on the 24th of February sent their best wishes to 5 football players from Ribhoi District who will present Meghalaya in the semi-final match, which will be held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia after their successful match in the 76th Santosh Trophy organized by AIFF. The football players included Don Boklang Lungdo from Pahams Aim, Henry Ford Nong Neng from Umran Nyang Bernai, Guidels Aimli from Solang Sning, Ronald Kendon Lungdo Nong Light from Batarim Sning, and Shin Soktung Merdon. As a gesture of encouragement, the KSU presented the young footballers with a bag of money and words of encouragement to soar high in their field of interests.
Selamat pemerintah tamlong kajik sedang lembaga jupi kita liok mania isu yang kasap pong jupi lembaga di tomen beber kamtam pengasim berteng mai itu belaya ya kailang napo jong kari boy football united keba kawai ke klub keba nadiam tungi keseng KSU di dalam berkiwai ki parasek balang bangin kedua ya ki players lejok. Kini players kebangin sim berteng sama Shin Soktung sama Guidel Simni dan Bok Lang Do Henry Marbo Konongan berkunjung Ronald Lindo online. Sekarang lembaga jupi Shillong kita ki syaraf dan fertility ya ki have ki baret kejongi buat ngit skam hani ki por kaba ki samla juliat ya ki jige ha ki jingsha pun shoy ki per andre ai ba pi pinong kita ki icon namda ka district Ribhoi jungi berkunjung antara jela jungi te ke jingamnut kum ki hinman ki jopi buat ke jingamnut kum ki kmi ki jopi don hangne kade tam wei kaba pinai ya ki ke jikman yangi ke jikman lemba burom kaba ki hapo jela lani shabat jela ke ban klik persen ya ka jela ka jungi hapo Saudi Arabia te hane ko so kibok riang ipi bat kunjuru lemba ita iskuntel kuntel kaba pinuan pat nanti min pinyo ya ka jinjob bat ka jinjob ka namlong tam ta ka jela ndai ka namlong tam ta ka je ngir ko jungi te next kamru ba kai ka ba ngliang jong ka district ru ka semua berpenpau kamtam naliang jongki senghalang ki beper ibram namta ban pet kmi ya ka je mele bojungi ka seniang ka kum ka district iso ong banai napi ba shwa bangin ai ki bok riang ipi lemba ni seniang ka beret ka ba pin pendap lang ya ka jelut joseph jupi ni stok jelut joseph jupi bon nado ko basdam village po orisaru ni sotho ya ka jelut joseph ka ba pia besehi kamtam na kai ka sem jupi pia ya bunut kung segro masoba nagaliang jungi bangin kibok riang ipi ning senyang ipi.
North Tura constituency Congress candidate Shri Bilikit A. Sangma expressed his concerns for the constituency. He exclaimed that Tura needs better traffic system since it has busy roads and the school children are facing lots of problems, highlighting that the traffic is getting worse each day. He claimed that the present government is the most corrupted and the people have seen such acts with their own experience. He added that the government had failed to address education issues at the primary level and the government should prioritize the matter. He further expressed his confidence on winning in the coming elections with his prior vision to empower women. Being optimistic, he acclaimed that the party should launch financial inclusion for women empowerment and no matter how severe problems may be, each problem will be met with solutions.
BJP TMC salgi ke thaman mon option de between one BJP nan TMC na phuna to BJP ti ngai kan NPP na pun atau BJP jen orang ini mana ada kita tamko kita tak kita tamko angal kita saksan kita tak kita. Ini doa solution ber doa kan. Solution de kita doa macam Gangtok town plus city ya de non well managed mo ya bisung ni management system orang gua nama anga adita experts aku gapan dia pun ikut sandi gen riang gen bisung ara mai dike ya management apa tak mai dike tak tahu gua makun replicate kana dotun kagen nanti itu replicate kana dotun kana nangen aro daw kata ni bo ye chu botol ya ko angas kango 장사 안중이 람싱 디신이 소모요 아디타 남타 파타니 그 딱나 도촌 가점 데 양아 가나 좀 대추 응아데 응급바데 디오 그런 게 차원 차원하게 제가 그래 다른 애드미니스트레이션도 산디로나 만져와 차원 갈랑이 갈랑 되가 뭐 우니 그러면 앙아데 아가나 좀얘 레비뉴 코데 큐니 담 코데 와 발급파랑사 IMFL tokan dongga parang sa bisong sa palinga. Unim gaina bisong ko sinjeta ni ko takita bisongan ye botol khali botol ang ko apna nangan ke pako mainan yam daktan ke pako takke adita kesa ke gini sinjeta ni ko takke tak pahajam changsa sangini di ko implement kai ni tin jamano de name continue kana manja endima maiba solution dongke dengtang mancha not purao wan mantuk ni chukmarang ko empower kana mote not Tura there. Continue the whole Garo Hills.
Risaiba Lalu, a student from Sinot College in her 6th semester, participated in the All India NCC Prime Minister Rally 2023 in Delhi, and she claimed the title Best Commander in the rally. On the 24th of February, Sinot College and the Directorate of NCC Shillong venerated Risaiba Lalu in a graceful gathering in which Dr. ADBR Taiwari IAS Commissioner and Secretary, Education Department, Government of Meghalaya was the chief guest, along with the Commanding Officer, NCC Northeastern Region, Colonel Gunpal Sangwan.
Respected Sir Principal, Vice Principal, CO Sir, ANO Sir, CPO Ma'am, my senior and junior of Sinot College NCC, my dearest teachers, and to you all who are present here, especially to our guest, Dr. BDR Tura, Chairperson who preside over today's program, the programming team. Thank you for allowing me to have such kind of an opportunity to stand and share some of my experience for being an NCC cadet. I would also like to thank my families, my friends, who supporting and encouraging me to achieve my goal. So in 2018, when I was in Sinot Higher Secondary School, in class 11, when I saw a group of teenagers wearing khaki uniform, I thought that they are the policemen at the time. But then, one of my friends told me that they are not the policemen, actually they are NCC cadet. So from that, I decided, I changed my mind and I want to join this NCC. So during the first year of my college, in 2020, I get the opportunity to enroll in this respective organization. Senior Bayan Mutlang, he is the one who completed my enrollment. Thank you so much, Senior. But due to the pandemic, I did not get a chance to interact with my senior, batchmate, ANO, CTO, man. And also at that time, I thought that this NCC was useless. I thought like that. But then, after the pandemic started to over, the classes started in full swing. I get to learn what NCC really is and how it works. So as I reach in second year of NCC, I get to learn about the national camp like YAP, TSC and RDC. So I was amazed by RDC, by Republic Day camp. I really want to try for it. Then one of my senior and also my favorite senior PC, he saw the willingness of me. So he's the one who guided and helped me a lot during that time. Thank you so much, Senior. It's because of you, for your helping me, I can achieve this all.
Shillong City, along with leaders and BJP supporters, blissfully welcomes Prime Minister Modi, who have come to bring about the 2023 election spirit in Shillong on the 24th of February. To captivate the people of Shillong and the entire state, Narendra Modi held a roadshow ahead of the Meghalaya elections. The roadshow started from State Central Library and garlanded the statue of fighters Tirot Singh, Kyang Nangba and Patogan Sangma. He extended to Police Bazaar, where he addressed a public meeting emphasizing that he has no doubt that Meghalaya and Nagaland will bestow a new government in the hands of BJP.
आपका ये प्यार, आपके आशीर्वाद, मैं आपको भी इसे कर्ज को जरूर चुकाऊंगा और इस प्यार का कर्ज, ये आशीर्वाद का कर्ज मैं मेघालय के विकास करके चुकाऊंगा। आप सबका कल्याण के कामों को गति देकर के चुकाऊंगा। आपका ये प्यार, आपके आशीर्वाद कभी बेकार नहीं जाने दूंगा। युवा हो, बुजुर्ग हो, मैं देख रहा हूं इस बार यहां के रोड शो की गूंज, इसकी तस्वीरों ने देश के कोने कोने में आपका संदेश पहुंचा दिया है। मेघालय में चारों तरफ बीजेपी ही बीजेपी दिख रही है। हिल्स हो या प्लेन, गांव हो या शहर, कमल खिलता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। मैं देख रहा था कुछ लोग जिनको देश ने नकार दिया है, जिन्हें देश अब स्वीकार करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, जो निराशा की गर्त में डूब चुके हैं, वो आजकल माला जपते हैं, माला, और वो कह रहे हैं मोदी तेरी कब्र खुदेगी। ये निराशा के गर्त में डूबे लोग ये कह रहे हैं, माला जपते जपते कह रहे हैं मेरी तेरा कमल खिलेगा। देश की जनता इस प्रकार की विकृत सोच वाले, विकृत भाषा बोलने वाले लोगों को करारा जवाब देगी, मेघालय और नागालैंड में भी देने वाली।
Piyush Hazarika, Minister for Water Resources and Public Affairs of Assam, along with Tuliram Ranghang, the CEM of Karbi Anglong, on the 24th of February, arrived at Pudwa under Nongpo constituency to campaign for Mirin Maring, a BJP candidate from Nongpo constituency. The two personalities of Assam had arrived in Nongpo to encourage and motivate the people in the gathering to support and elect Mirin Maring as the leader. They mentioned that Meghalaya has been lagging behind in many areas is because BJP has not acquired the opportunity to completely govern the people of Meghalaya.
Tinggi don kam ya ka BJP hapo kanong po jongi. Pidon kam ne em. Pidon kam. Oh siya ngide gi badang duna hapo kanong po konstituency jongi. Sidang duna haka development. Pet tangane. Kamadan pidon. Ka galeri kampat biang. Pet katega yin. Ka galeri. Katin ka belajot. Sipun kijing duna, hapo ka nong po konstituency jongi, hapo ka state jongi, hapo ka district jongi. Ho siya ngalayeng, awak raja khatha, na ka BJP parti, kira ai tiket yang Henry ngam semboy ka thong ka jingjok. Bat ngam song that, ngatre nang pantai jong pi, kipat ba sam snem. Bangadon ka mensim, ban yarap ya pi. Bat ngakwa kum ban yarap ya pi kum kinong rep ban kentiu ya ka rep ya ka yo ka kot jong pi na mau hapo kanong po konstituency jongi hapo ka riphoi district jongi ki babun ki de kinong rep ki ba im ha ka rep karyang ki ba pen im ya la ka ying ka sem jong ki da ka jing rep tingar ngade ka kun nong rep ngasyong masa anong po hi ngakwa banyarap ya pi ki parlok nong rep umdei bangayeng nakabantay lade umdei bangayeng nakabantay ki bahaying ya sem ki kur ki jat ngayeng nakabantay jong pi kajing duna ka babun hapo kanong po konstituency jongi ka school ngidon ka college ngidon bat kampat biang hapo kanong po jongi nang tangi don kam syusyu kasurok ka Banungkong kasurok kam tam lagi syong nang kendong kimpat biang ngidang satin hakalenti ke sengking kasurok aki school ki college sang post nem ka kongres kalasan syar apo ka seat Meghalaya jengi Henry tang ke government college ngimpat don hapo kanong po riphoi district jongi.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.